Hey people, welcome back to the channel. Pells is back. We've got lots of awesome videos coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned. Today we're going to be talking about my 5 worst experiences as a driving instructor. Let's go. The first one we'll talk about is a little bit of road rage incident I had one day with a particular pupil. So as we do, we're driving along the road, there's cars both sides. We can't go anywhere. We're already on the road. We're driving down the road and a car comes flying at us so fast, we couldn't really do anything about it. We all stop like this, like a Mexican standoff. My people just starts giving it some of this. Giving it some of the real, hey. Give it some of that now, get out of the way, it's my road sort of thing.
Come and fight me.
Eventually, they reverse all the way down the road and all is well. I mean, come on, we all get emotional from time to time. We can laugh and joke about it now, but my advice to you is just stay calm. You've got to remember, when you pass your test, I'm not going to be there, or your driving instructor is not going to be there. Let the situation evolve. Chill. The mobile phone, we all have one, right? And we can't keep our hands off them. However, when you're driving, my advice to you is, even before I tell you the story, you should never touch your phone, ever, while you're driving, or should I say when you're in control of the car. So we're cracking on with a lesson one day. The phone is in the side pocket. It rings. They grab the phone and try to answer it. I'm like, whoa, put it down now. It's probably a good time to advise everybody who's driving, when you are driving, put your phone on silent. If it does ring or you can hear it vibrate, do not answer it. You've got to remember these days what the police do. They will give you 6 points and £200 fine for you. Nobody wants that. Not only that, if you've just passed your driving test, you only get 6 points in the first 2 years of your licence. It's game over. You're coming back to me and taking your test again. Simples. Yeah, I'll always remember this one. We're coming down a dual carriageway, coming to a roundabout. My pupil doesn't really brake when I want them to, so I give them a little bit of time, and they still don't brake. And I'm like, brake, and then they don't say anything. Coming to the roundabout, getting a bit closer. Things are getting a bit heated now. Okay, brake please, brake. And then all of a sudden, out of the blue, my pupil turns around to me and says, "Shut up, I'm trying to concentrate here." And I'm thinking, okay. I actually went a bit quiet for 1 minute, thinking, I didn't know how to take that. So I pulled him over in the other road and we had a nice little chat, you know, a little heart to heart. We sorted that out. Just remember, I am there to help you, just like any other instructor out there. We're supposed to be working as a team. I don't mean anything by it, but if I've got to touch that brake, I do it for a reason. One of my pupils really struggled with turning right once. Always cutting corners, potentially going in the wrong side of the road, which is bad, by the way. I give my pupil plenty of time. I'm talking about 100 metres before the junction. You know, take the next road on the right. They come up to the junction, check their mirrors, they indicate, they start turning way too early. And I mean way too early. They completely cut the corner. I'm like, whoa! Slam a brake on, grab the wheel, right in the middle of the road, or should I say in the wrong side of the road. The main thing is, do not cut corners when you're driving. There could be someone coming really fast into the new road you're turning into. I'm giving you all these warnings so you can anticipate what's going to come up next, and in plenty of time. So pay attention, listen in, and you'll be fine. Oh God, last but not least, the animal killer. Yeah, that's one I'll always remember. We're driving down the road in a 40 stretch this time. To bear in mind, we're going quite fast. And all of a sudden, this pigeon just comes flying at the tree, straight into the bonnet, bang! Ooh. Feathers, pew, everywhere. They take their hands off the wheel, hands on their face. It's okay. Hey, come on, bring it in, come on. I didn't actually know what to do. I just sort of sat there and let them calm down a little bit first. And I give them a nice big hug, say, look, it's fine, it's fine. The pigeon's not fine, but it's fine. Sometimes when we're driving, things might seem bad, but things could be a lot worse. If you're going to swerve for an animal, bird, cat, dog, potentially mount the pavement, and sorry to say, you could actually kill somebody. Cars are killer machines. Try to stay calm and try and maintain good control of that car. Do not take your hands off the wheel. So there you have it. They are 5 of probably my best experiences. Well, not the best, are they? They're my worst experiences as a driving instructor.
You haven't done something right.
Oh no, I've actually got 6 lined up here. Sorry, I've actually got 6. Yeah. Yes, but I've actually got 6 in here. The one driving test I will always remember that could have gone wrong, but went all so right. As we pull out of the test centre, my pupil starts indicating. Now normally with the indicators you'll hear that. I was sat in the back because I was observing the test, which I am allowed to do, which I actually prefer to do on my driving tests. All of a sudden you hear the indicator go really quick, like. So the examiner, he pulls us over and he says, I'm afraid I can't take the test any longer. We've actually got to stop the car and I've got to go back to the test centre. And I said, why? What's going on? He said, well, one of your indicators just gone out. I said, oh no, I did hear that. He said, have you got any spare bulbs? And I was like, no. Luckily enough for us, there was a garage directly on the left-hand side of us where the curbside was. So I ran out of there, quickly gone into the garage, get a bulb, changed it so quick, and he was like, right, well, we can go now. Lucky enough, my pupil went out on the test and they passed as well. Well done. So thank God for that garage next to us. And my advice is to all driving instructors, or, you know, anybody out there who has a car, keep spare bulbies in your car. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like the video, subscribe for more, which is coming your way very soon. If you've got any experiences as a learner or if you're a driving instructor, let me know. Comment below. Let's hear it. Oh, he stalls! Give it, let me do it. Start the car. Start, let go. I got it, let go. Trust me, let go. Everything. Let go. Relax. Jeez. He's in the car for a reason now, boy.